I usually just like to make sure that this piece here is really firm against myself and a bit further back than what seemed, you know, just so that it really is creating a seal against there and you're not going to be worried about any back leaking or anything like that. I also do like to make sure it is trying to face downwards just a little bit so that it is a waterfall and you're not worried about it at a straight angle coming back and filling that. You want to make sure it's pointing down so that the flow keeps going the whole time. And then, yeah, you can just use it and make sure it's very sealed against yourself. In regards to stance, I usually do just, you know, make sure my feet are about shoulder width or more apart. I do look down most of the time because that does just put your hips back a little bit more, make it easier for you to place it against yourself, and, you know, make it easier for you to see exactly where you're aiming the whole time. And, you know, just practice a few times before you are planning on using it through your clothing. You know, practice at home or in the shower or out camping or somewhere where you don't care as much before using it, you know, hiking or somewhere where it's going to be around a lot of people or you're worried about getting it on your clothing. First I make sure that the spout is facing forward, then I bring it underneath myself and I put it a little bit back further than I think I need to just to make sure it's like sealed against my body, and then I make sure that I press it up in the back and facing downwards in the front so that way it kind of creates a waterfall downwards. Then when I'm done, all I have to do is just lift it forward to make sure that there's no drip, and you can shake it to be done or use water or a wipe to clean it out and put it back in the pack. I turn the spout outwards down against the bottom of the tinkle bell there, and I usually try to open the case and put the spout side in first and against the bottom of the case, and then that way you can just zip it from there and you're ready to go.